Hey, this is the review of the Air Mouse keyboard remote. It comes with the remote and a USB wireless connection. Just stick that in here. To the USB port, and it automatically installs the drivers that's needed. So you can see the mouse there. As you can see, I'm moving the mouse with the remote. If I want to stop the mouse or the pointer from moving, just press that button like that, and stop moving. Then it moves again. Boom. Press the button, and it moves again. Stop it there. Remote control. Move again. So it's pretty cool. Can use it just like a regular mouse, like a left click, drag and drop your stuff. Just hold down your OK button as your left click. You got your other button here for your menu, for your right click. And exit out of that on there. The keyboard works as well. Let's show you that. It's down here, down to Google. Just turn it over. You can see the keyboard there. And I'm going to type. So it works well. I like to use this mouse, especially when I have it hooked up to a monitor and I want to be back like on the couch or on the bed watching a movie or navigating my computer on a big screen. This works great to do that. So I can navigate all the features and use it just like I would use a regular mouse and computer, and the keyboard as well. So that's about it. It's a pretty good remote. It takes 2 AAA batteries. Let's put that back in like that. Okay. Hope you enjoy. Okay, I've hooked it up to my PlayStation so you can see how well it works with the PlayStation. You can navigate the menu with it. It is a little clunky for some of the controls, but it does work basic controls. Some of it you may have to figure out for which buttons do which, but you can use the keyboard to type in what you need and stuff. So it works with it. You just gotta figure out some of the buttons sometimes. Like you can use your enter button here to enter. And you want to go back out, use your escape button there. Escape back out again. So you can use it with your PlayStation 4 as well. let me show you the keypad lighting up so you can get your keys in the dark. Know how to navigate it in the dark, so that's pretty cool when you're using it at night. It turns off, you just press the button there, turn it back on, flip over.